Hello, today I will show you how to change the accessibility settings in Wukong the Black Myth. First, of course, open the main menu by pressing the escape button or the corresponding button on your corresponding controller. There was the escape in my mind for a second, sorry about that. Then go simply into the accessibility settings and you can choose right here whether to enable or disable the subtitles. You can turn on or off the colorblind mode within few different presets, and you can change the intensity of the colorblind mode. You can also enable or disable the motion blur. I prefer to keep it at weak. When you're happy with the choices, simply tap return twice and you're right back in the game. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.